Welcome to Mrs. English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mrs. English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to see you again, friends.
Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. It really helps more learners find us.
And don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
So, Paul, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is one of my favorites, daily routines.
Oh, yes, everyone has a routine, and it's a great way to practice English every day.
Exactly. So, let's start from the morning. Emily, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, the first thing I do is stretch and say good morning. Then I brush my teeth.
Nice. I usually drink a glass of water first. It helps me wake up.
That's a good habit. Then what?
Then I take a shower, get dressed, and make breakfast. I love coffee in the morning.
Ah, coffee. I prefer tea. After breakfast, I usually check my messages or read the news.
Great. Let's help our listeners. When talking about your routine, you can use simple present tense verbs like I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
Yes. Let's make a short example. I'll go first. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast and go to school.
Perfect. My turn. I wake up at 6:30. I take a shower, make coffee, and start teaching English online.
That's a great example, Paul. Simple sentences, perfect for beginners.
Okay, Emily. What do you usually do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I study, go to the library, and sometimes meet my friends for lunch. What about you?
I usually work until 4 p.m., then I take a short walk or go to the gym.
Healthy. You can say, I go to the gym, I exercise, or I take a walk. These are great daily routine phrases.
Yes. Now, how about evening routines?
In the evening, I relax. I eat dinner with my family, watch a movie, or listen to music.
That sounds lovely. I usually cook dinner, watch some YouTube videos, and read a little before bed.
Nice. So, listeners, when you talk about your routine, use time words like in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night.
That's right. For example, in the morning, I brush my teeth. In the afternoon, I study English. At night, I go to bed.
Very good, Paul. And here's a fun tip. You can also say, I usually, I always, or I sometimes to sound more natural.
Like, I usually go to bed at 10, or I sometimes read before sleeping.
Exactly.
Now, let's teach a quick question pattern our listeners can practice.
Great idea. You can ask, what do you do in the morning? Or what time do you wake up?
An answer like this: I wake up at 7, or I go to school at 8. Simple and natural English.
Yes! Try making your own sentences in the comments below.
That's our question of the day.
What's your daily routine? Write 2 to 3 sentences in English. We'll read your answers in the next episode.
Before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your English learning friends.
Yes, your support helps us make more fun lessons like this one.
Keep practicing every day.
And remember, English is easier when you enjoy it.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Bye for now.
See you next time.